Hi everyone, this is week 6, and this week we'll be converting measurements among metric and US systems, which is chapter 7.5, exploring rational and irrational numbers and real number properties, chapter 7.1 through 7.4. Yes, that's correct. We're going to tackle chapter 7.5 before chapter 7.1 through 7.4. It just fits better in our lesson. We'll complete our last test before our final exam, which is test 3, covers chapters 6 and 7, which opens Friday, May 2nd, and your PDF file submission in Canvas is due Sunday, 10/4. Please review the specific week 5 learning outcomes, which I placed on this weekly overview page. You'll be reading our online OpenStax textbook, taking notes, watching the instructional videos, and completing homework assignments for chapter 7.5, as well as 7.1 through 7.4. Next, towards the bottom of the week's module, you'll be completing the 2 lab assignments and our test 3. Do not forget to attend at least 2 lab sessions on Zoom each week to assist you with the labs and preparing you for your test. Do not hesitate to reach out to me for assistance or for a Zoom session together. Have an awesome week.